Today's video is answering the number one question most aspiring providers have. Is an adult day program profitable? Well, it all depends on your startup money, your location, your knowledge, the type and quality of your services, and of course, your sheer will and determination. And let's not forget your discipline. If you thought about starting an adult day program but have a lot of unanswered questions, click the link below to subscribe because this channel is for you. Hey, aspiring providers, if you're returning, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Terria, proud owner of Elevation's Adult Day Services and founder of a group training called Building Profitable Adult Day Programs, where I teach aspiring providers like you step by step how to build a profitable, licensed, facility-based adult day program by following the home and community-based service guidelines. On this channel, I'm here to share my real-life experiences of building an adult day program. So let's get into today's video. If you're like many other aspiring providers and asking yourself, is starting an adult day program profitable? My answer is yes, but only if you can learn how to turn your failures into success. So some of the failures that aspiring providers encounter, especially in the beginning, is number one, they can't find the startup cash. Number two, they can't find affordable and suitable location. Number three, they can't write policy and procedures. And lastly, number four, they don't know where to start. So let's get into it. You can't find the startup cash. You're failing to find your startup cash because you're only looking in your own bank account. Here are 5 successful tips that can help you look for startup cash besides your own bank account. Number one, apply for a business credit card. Number two, open a line of credit. Number three, apply for a small business or personal loan. Number four, apply for grant funding. And lastly, number 5, seek out investors. Okay, next, you can't find an affordable and suitable location. You're failing at finding an affordable and suitable location because you gave up after only looking at 3 to 5 properties after 5 months of looking. Successful tip, plan to look at a minimum of 10 properties throughout the course of 7 to 12 months. Okay, next, you can't write your own policy and procedures. You're failing at writing your own policy and procedures because you didn't review your state standards first. Successful tip, all of the guidelines for your policy and procedures are outlined in your state home and community-based rehabilitation standards, better known as HCBS standards. And lastly, you don't know where to start. Like, you researched, you looked on Google, you looked on YouTube, you even talked to ChatGPT, and you're still confused. Successful tip, join a group training. If you're still confused on how to implement the successful tips that I have provided you, it's time to join a group training program. Get with somebody like me who has been there and done that can teach you step by step how to succeed at building your first profitable adult day program. So I hope these tips help. If so, drop a comment below telling me what was the number one failure that resonated with you and what was the number one tip that helped you. If you want to know firsthand when I drop my first video every Sunday, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in applying for my 20-week group training program, click the link below in the video description. This training is an opportunity to work directly with me and learn step by step how to build a profitable adult day program. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next Sunday.